Living alone can be a liberating and empowering experience, offering freedom and independence. However, it's essential to recognize that with great independence comes great responsibility. In this guide, we're going to peel back the curtain on the potential pitfalls of living alone and arm you with strategies for mitigating its risks. Let's kick off this guide with a classic: safety concerns. Living solo means you're the one responsible for keeping yourself safe and sound, and that can be a bit daunting at times. From locking up tight to keeping an eye out for shady characters, it's all on you to stay vigilant and protect your turf. But with a little common sense and some smart security measures, you can rest easy knowing you've got this solo living thing under control. All right, let's talk about health risks. Living solo means it's all on you when it comes to staying healthy. And let's face it, sometimes that can be a bit of a challenge. Without someone there to keep you in check, it's easy to fall into bad habits like skipping workouts or reaching for that second slice of pizza. But fear not, solo superheroes. By prioritizing self-care and making healthy choices, you can keep yourself feeling fit and fabulous. Hey, if you like this video so far, subscribe for more epic solo tips. Now let's talk money. Living solo can put a strain on your wallet, especially when you're the one footing the bill for everything. Rent, utilities, groceries, it all adds up. And sometimes it feels like there's no end in sight. But don't sweat it. With a little budgeting savvy and some creative thinking, you can stretch your dollars further and still live the solo life of your dreams. Next up, we've got everyone's favorite topic when talking about solo living: socializing. Living alone can sometimes leave you feeling a bit, well, alone. Without roommates or family members around, it's easy to fall into a routine of Netflix and chill all by yourself. But fear not, social butterflies. There are plenty of ways to stay connected and make new friends, from joining local clubs to volunteering in your community. Additionally, online communities, like this YouTube channel, offer a fantastic opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals and share your solo tips and tricks. So get out there, share your views in the comments, and spread your wings. And on top of the list, a little something you might not expect: the lack of flexibility that can come with long-term solo living. Yep, you heard it right. While living alone can offer independence and freedom, it can also lock you into a routine that lacks the spontaneity and adaptability of life with others. But fear not, intrepid solo dwellers. There are plenty of ways to inject some flexibility into your solo lifestyle. From scheduling regular outings with friends to embracing impromptu adventures, you can keep things fresh and exciting while still enjoying the perks of living alone. Additionally, practicing mindfulness and staying open to new experiences can help keep your mind and emotions flexible, allowing you to adapt to whatever life throws your way. So don't let the lack of flexibility cramp your style. Embrace the freedom to shake things up and keep your solo life exciting. And there you have it, folks, a rundown of the risks and rewards of solo living, served up with a side of sass and style. While living alone certainly has its challenges, it also offers a world of opportunities for growth, independence, and self-discovery. So embrace the adventure, stay safe, and remember, you're never truly alone.